Hello children. We continue with the structures of covalent compounds. You had done the first 5 structures which I had sent you the explanation. I hope you must have understood clearly. Next, water molecule H2O. Hydrogen 1 electron, oxygen electronic configuration is 2, 6. So in this you have 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Again I will remind you, when you have 2 different atoms, make the electrons of one atom with dot, the other with cross. Oxygen. First shell 2, second shell 6 electrons. So in the outermost shell you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This single electron here and this single electron here. With 2 atoms of hydrogen, I have shown them as cross. When they combine, how you will make, children? Make the oxygen atom, the overlap with hydrogen here, the overlap with hydrogen here. 1 electron of oxygen, 1 of hydrogen, 1 electron of oxygen, 1 of hydrogen. So you have 2 single covalent bonds. Have a look at its dot cross structure. Oxygen, in the dot cross structure we only show the valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 2 atoms of hydrogen, such that you have O here and here. They have been sharing 2 pairs of electrons. So you have 2 single covalent bonds. Next we come to ammonia molecule NH3. This is ammonia, children. Remember, it is NH3. And if I ask you the symbol and valency of ammonium ion, it would be NH4 plus. Nitrogen, electronic configuration is 2, 5, hydrogen 1. Look at the electrons. Nitrogen in the first shell 2, second shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reacting with 3 atoms of hydrogen, such that you can see the nitrogen atom, 1 overlap with hydrogen, the second overlap and the third overlap. You have 1 electron of nitrogen, 1 of hydrogen. Here, electron of nitrogen, hydrogen, electron of nitrogen and hydrogen, such that ammonia molecule has 3 single covalent bonds. The dot cross structure, nitrogen with 3 atoms of hydrogen, sharing of electrons being showed here, and you have 3 single covalent bonds. Now we come to the structure of carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Carbon C6. So the electronic configuration is 2, 4. Chlorine 17, such that electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. You will draw 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of chlorine. Carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell. Chlorine has 7 electrons. So this 7th electron would be facing this side. When you draw carbon atom in the middle, surrounded by 4 chlorine atoms, such that 4 pairs of electrons will be shared. Look carefully. Electron of carbon with 1 electron of chlorine. Again carbon with electron of chlorine. So you see here the 4 overlaps showing 4 pairs of electrons. Have a look at its dot cross structure. Carbon 4 electrons, chlorine 7 electrons, such that the 4 pairs of electrons leading to 4 single covalent bonds. I repeat, 4 single covalent bonds. Next, methane. This is very easy, children, since you have done carbon tetrachloride. Similarly, you have methane, which is CH4. Carbon 2, 4. Hydrogen has 1 electron. So you will show the 4 electrons of carbon with 4 atoms of hydrogen showing 1 electron each. So when you show the structure, draw carbon atom in the middle, 4 hydrogen atoms, and there is sharing of 4 pairs of electrons, children. Remember to use the rounders. Always do your work neatly, children. Have a look at its dot cross structure. Carbon showing 4 valence electrons, 4 atoms of hydrogen with 1 electron each, such that 4 pairs of electrons are being shared, leading to 4 single covalent bonds. With this, we come to the end of chapter 4. I hope you must have done it thoroughly well. Continue doing it the same. I know it's difficult time, but still you all are good children. So you must have done your work very well. Did you do the self-analysis test? No. You were supposed to do it on 16th. Do the test with honesty. Mark yourselves, children, and stick the test paper in the notebook. Thank you. Take good care of yourselves and your family.